Today was our first time eating at New Elite. We gave my father-in-law a couple of choices, and he chose the one that had food from his local area back in China. Funny enough, my wife was born in Kaiping and I was born in the neighboring village of Toisan. Don't fact check that. I think they're neighboring, I just don't know how close. This is something I haven't encountered before, a plate with chopstick holders. One of the defining features of Cantonese cooking is what they call Wok Hei. Wok Hei is that defining flavor in food when it's been cooked at very high temperatures in a wok. And these dishes have Wok Hei. My kids really love that beef chow fun. There was a local chow fun place that our family absolutely loved called Fong Noodle. It was run by a sweet elderly couple, and unfortunately the restaurant shut down during COVID. You can tell that my father-in-law really feels comfortable at this restaurant because he's striking up a very easy conversation with the waiter. Both the pork stomach and the ong choy here had peppers in it, and it was just a bit too spicy for my mother-in-law. I enjoy spiciness myself, and so I ended up eating all the jalapenos in the ong choy, as well as the fresh peppers that were in the pork stomach dish. The preserved meats clay pot rice was just a little bit under seasoned for us. But we all love the eel clay pot rice. My wife wants to go back to China if only to eat these clay pot rice dishes. This is the experienced waiter preparing our clay pot dishes. He puts a little bit of soy sauce into the clay pot rice, and then he mixes it all together, combining some really great flavors together. Clay pot rice dishes are a signature dish from the area that my wife grew up in. Another restaurant, which we'll profile sometime in the future, that serves up some incredible clay pot rice dishes is called Mei Mei in Arcadia. The waiter offered to put boiling water at the bottom of this clay pot rice dish for my mother-in-law. This is one traditional way of eating the rice at the bottom here. We told him that we actually preferred it crispy, and he mentioned to us that had he known, he would have asked the cooking staff to cook it longer so that the rice would be really crispy. New Elite serves up some quite tasty Toisan dishes. The waiter surprised us with a traditional Toisan dessert. My daughter nearly gobbled up all of these. And we'll have to come back sometime to try some of the other dishes on the menu.